back to my channel. So in today's video I have a little tutorial for you. I think I'm gonna do a series on this one, so this will be the first one on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palettes. I went back and forth about purchasing this one, you guys. I wasn't positive. I'm usually not like a cool tone purple person, and I was like, I don't know. I had like the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. Do I really need the Norvina palette? Well, of course, once it came out on sale on Ulta.com, I lost that battle and I gave in, right? What's new? So here's the Norvina palette. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And the thing that sucks me into these palettes, you guys, these Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, are the shimmers. And I really like her layout on this palette, how the top row is all shimmers, the bottom layer, whatever you want to call it, the bottom row is all like mattes. And I think there's like a couple, yeah, this Love one and this Soul, like they have a little bit of shimmer in them, but for the most part they're going to perform more like a matte, as opposed to where these are like crushed foil shimmer shadows. So today's look, I did like a kind of like a more neutrally kind of look. Like if you're not so into the whole purple vibe, how I wanted to show you like a really pretty look that you can do with this while keeping it more on the neutral side. And I did kind of a play on this look that was very similar to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette tutorial, and it was like my most complimented look ever. And I wanted to try to like take that look that I did with the Soft Glam palette and transfer it into the Norvina palette. So that is what I did, and this is the look that I came up with, and I am so obsessed with this look and the way it turned out. So, so pretty. It's just very pretty and soft and girly, and I'm living for that right now. So just like the regular, all of her other palettes, it does come with 14 shades. It does come with the standard double-sided brush, and it does retail for $42, just like the rest of her palettes do. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna say about it for now. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm starting off by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer. I'm just going to basically draw this onto my eyelids, and then I buff it out with a Morphe E21 brush. Now I'm taking this big ol' M524 brush and the color Base, and I am just going to use this to set my base. Pretty self-explanatory, right? Then I'm taking this M573 and the color Incense, and I'm going to use this to start building up my transition shade. And you can see it just kind of took a minute for it to build up, but I think that's just the color. It's more cool tone than what it looks in the palette. Now taking this M433 brush and the color Eccentric, I'm going to just start building, like deepening up that transition shade, and this gave me more of the warmth that I love and desire. I don't know, I'm just a warm tone girl. I struggled with that, but we made it work. And now, totally going out of my comfort zone, I'm taking Volatile on the fluffy side of the brush that comes with the palette, and I'm just kind of layering up and deepening that outer V and crease area. I just gave it a little more dimension and whatnot, and then I totally didn't get a shot of this part, but I'm grabbing Passion, and that's the deepest matte shade from the palette, and I'm just starting to kind of build up the wing lining part of my eye. And I'm taking this Cover FX liquid eyeshadow in the color Solstice, and I'm using this to cut my crease. And you guys, once you try liquid eyeshadows like this to cut the crease and layer on before your foiled shadows, you will never go back. This is such a good way, and the color, the pigmentation, everything that you get from this is bomb.com. Yep, try it. Thank me later. Now I'm going with my finger and the color Rose Gold, and I'm going to pop that onto the center of the lid. Now I'm grabbing Summer on a different finger and popping that onto the inner part of the center of the lid. Now I'm taking Dreamer and popping that right onto the innerest part of my lid. Now taking this M515 and the color Eccentric and Passion, just going to barely kind of like deepen up right above that. Now I'm taking Drama and just popping it on the outer V just to give it a little more, you know, drama. Now I wanted to get a little more precise, so I'm grabbing this M151 brush and the color Dreamer again, and I'm just kind of building it up on the inner corner of my eye, and I kind of take it up towards the top of all three of those shades. It just helps like the crease to pop a little more. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay glitter in the color Pyro, and I'm just putting this like right on that cut crease area just to give it a little extra pop. Now I'm grabbing my Morphe liquid liner. It's the black one, and then this liquid eyeliner brush, it's the M443 brush, and I'm just giving myself a little wing, nothing too crazy. It's a little wing. This is like so hard to do one-handed, by the way. Try it. You will not. It's hard. It's just hard. Take my word for it. Don't try it. Now for my favorite mascara at the moment, it's the Kush mascara from Milk. So good, you guys, so good. And now I'm taking the DODO Lashes in the style D308. They're the 3D lashes. Oh, I can't get enough of these ones right now. I'm wearing them all the time at work. Everybody's like, holy crap, look at those lashes. I'm like, I know. They're amazing, right? Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Matte Primer. This is new to me, and I have been loving this. I just dot it all over my face and then buff it in with my fingers. Yep, look at me go, buffing away. Then I'm taking my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation on the Huda Beauty Foundation brush, and I am just stippling that in the coverage. I've said it again, I'll say it again. Or I've said it again. I've said it before. What am I saying? I don't know. And now for my new favorite. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's so good. It is so, so good. And I'm just blending it out with my damp Morphe sponge. Oh my gosh, this one is in the color Vanilla. I also have one that's a touch lighter too in the color Snow. It's one of like the lightest ones. And just depending on what shade of self-tan or not self-tan I am, that's what I choose between. So right now I'm pretty tan, so Vanilla it was. Now I'm just going with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the color Cupcake, Cupcake. And I'm using my M554 brush, and I'm just putting this on the areas where I put concealer. I don't really love to bake and the whole baking process. I'm just okay on it. So we're just busting that onto the face real quick. And then I'm taking this Sephora powder that's newer to me. Let me see, what is the actual name of it? It's called the Micro Smooth Powder, and it just kind of gives my skin like a pretty glow without being like liquidy and glowy. And this is my E41 brush. Now it's time for some brows, don't you think? So this is my NYX pencil, and it's the flat skinny one that I'm obsessed with. It's the Precision Brow Pencil. Just giving myself some brows, you know, because that's what I need so desperately right now. And then this is my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit Cosmetics. Now I'm grabbing my M431 pencil brush, and I'm mixing Incense. Well, I'm going in with Incense first, and I'm just kind of building up a transition shade. And then I will go in with Eccentric, and I will take that and deepen it up. Now taking my M432 in the color Passion, and I'm just lining my lower lashes with this. Wow, it's getting late. And I'm grabbing my Too Faced chocolate gold powder and my R2 brush, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Very exciting indeed. Yes, keep watching. Now I'm taking my Tarte Pro Glow palette, and this is my soft angled contour F23 brush from Sigma. I'm taking the powder contour, by the way, and I'm just contouring my face. Again, very exciting indeed. God, my camera drove me crazy with how it was going in and out of focus. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. But for my nose contour, I'm taking my M572 brush and just, you know, straightening out that nose and making it look nice and snatched. Now I'm taking my Milani No. 7 Fantastico Mauve and my Morphe R7 brush. I don't know if this is still being made or not. I've had this for a long time, but I love this with like purple looks just because it is more of that purpley pink blush. Now I'm taking my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. This is lavender. Smells so good. Now I'm taking my Ofra Cosmetics and Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter on my E36 brush, and I'm going to pop this onto my tear duct. It's the best for that. Now I'm taking my Rodeo Drive Highlighter, again by Ofra, and this is my Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. I'm obsessed with this brush. I wasn't ever going to purchase it, and then one day I'm like, I actually kind of like the shape. I like it better than my Morphe's. Maybe, but I think so. And then I'm grabbing the Laura Geller Diamond Dust Gelato highlighter. It's more of like that iridescent highlighter. It's got more of that purple sheen, and it made like this really pretty golden purple shade. So pretty. Now this is my Huda Beauty Muse lip contour lip liner brush. It's fancy to say lip contour, you know. And just lining the lips. Again, my camera is out of focus. Now I'm taking the Too Faced, I think are called the Natural Nudes lipsticks, and I believe this one is in the color Striptease. And it's very pretty. It's like a very pretty pinky shade, and it's one of the ones I found that I like the most. And then I almost forgot about lower lashes. And I am so excited about this mascara. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous, and it's in the color Burgundy, and it's so pretty. Like, I could just look at this mascara tube because I'm obsessed with this color. And now this look is complete. Okay, you guys, that is it for this look. This look is complete. I am so in love with like the tones and the way that this turned out. If I had anything that I would change about this, obviously they're very cool toned. Whoop, there goes the brush. They're very cool toned shadows, but I mean, you do have some warmer tones. This is like a, I don't know, it's like neutrally, it's kind of got some warm tones, but when I put it on, it looked very cool toned. And I mean, that's just Norvina's vibe. If you follow her on Instagram, this is like so just her vibe. And like these foils, these foiled shadows in this palette, I am obsessed with these these colors. These shimmer crushed foils, they are so stunning, and I can see myself using them, like say with all the like more warm toned matte shadows from all my other palettes as well. So I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this, even if I'm not using like the cooler tone matte shades. So yeah, I plan on doing some more looks with this palette. I want to do like a more intense purple look, but for this one, for this first look, I wanted to show you like a really standout neutral look that you could do with this. So yeah, if you would like to see that more purple toned look, go ahead and comment that down below. Give this video a big ol' thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe, join the Allie Ann clan. Yeah? Yes? No? I don't know. I'm trying to like think of like things to call you guys, especially since my subscriber count is like slowly increasing. It's going. So I don't know. I thought I'd call you like the Allie Ann clan. I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, so that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.